Hi, my name is Gigie Lee. I'm part of the front end team, and I'm going to be describing the bot to you guys. Our AI generates recipes based upon the ingredients that the user inputs. For example, if you enter mushrooms and chicken into our model, it will generate a recipe that includes these two ingredients. Users can specify filters and categories for their recipe by picking from multiple drop-down menus. This system can help reduce food waste and find more food options for those with specific likes and needs with what they have available.
Hello, my name is Mahalingam. I'm on the backend team, and I'm going to be talking about our product specs. So for our project, we use HTML, CSS, Python, and JavaScript to code through every aspect. We use AI Text Gen, Google Colab, and NLP to train our model. We use the CoCalc server and Flask to set up our web server. And to figure out what model to use, we tried multiple GPT-2 models like GPT-2 Neo, Distilled GPT-2, and the default GPT-2 model. Finally, after trying all the models, we decided to use the default GPT-2 model since it worked the best.
Hello, I am Thomas Ogie, and I was a backend designer. I'll be giving an outline of our process. For step one, we used a dataset on Kaggle that included around 500,000 recipes. For step two, pre-processing, the backend team simply filtered out and sorted our dataset, which we managed to cut to around 30,000. For training, step three, we downloaded a GPT-2 AI model into Google Colab and trained it for a total of 66,000 steps. For the website design, we use a theme from Start Bootstrap that was similar to what we wanted, and we simply adapted that for our needs. For step five, setting up the website, we mainly focused on creating a text box for our users to input their ingredients and a drop-down menu for users to select whatever categories they wanted their meal to be in. For step six, we simply added any finishing touches and made our website look presentable.
Hello, my name is Lucy Zhao, and I was a front-end developer. And this is our section. It's the About Us page where you can learn more about all of our team members and our instructor as well.
I'm Justin Vu, one of the professional backend developers. This is the only interesting part of the presentation, testing the model. So the AI will ask for a category and a more specific category before it will take your input by a text box. Our whole team has prepared 2 sets of ingredients to input to the bot, and we will test them right now. So here is the first. Whoa, cozy sirloin noodles, very interesting. If you take a look at the recipe, you will see that it is very human. Not only that, but this recipe is completely original. Not only has our AI learned language, but has also learned to become a professional chef. So professional that these original recipes will work. So our second recipe is the desserts category. And then the tarts category and the desserts category. By the way, this spinning circle thingamajig here was provided by right? The other backend developer you have met earlier. Strawberry fritters, a wonderful dessert after some cozy sirloin noodles. If you don't know what strawberry fritters are, let's see. We'll copy that. Let's switch it up. So they look like this, right? And of course, our AI provided recipe will be much more appetizing than this one over here from, where is it from? From a CanadianFoodie.com. Now it would be great if an audience member can give some ingredients in a category to test the AI. I'll have pick some from chat.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਫੋਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਫੋਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ okay okay
I would have, if you're not talking, please put yourself on mute.
You can pick someone from chat.
Yeah. Someone in chat, Ben, said potato.
Yes. So we have a category called starches, and there should be potato in here. Here we go. And we have a warm potato casserole. I would love to have this for breakfast. And thank you for listening to the presentation.